Alright, here we go. Here we in my living room. There is a Marantz amplifier connected to the TV set here, working with a satellite decoder now. And now I connected USB cable, as you can see, to the HDMI adapter, and now I'm touching it. After a few seconds it's getting warm. I go to the AUX1, which is exactly this point of connection, and I can see there is a connection between amplifier, but nothing else happened on the screen. Just a second. Previously, at this point, it was a communicate showing you need to oh, it's actually, it is very hot at the moment, very hot, and it was saying you have to connect your iPhone, and I'm connecting it now. Just a second. It's very hard to do it with one hand.